Want to access your phone contacts directly from your Windows computer? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync contacts with Phone Link. We'll make sure your devices are connected, enable the required permissions, and verify that your contacts are ready to use for calls and messages. So let's get started. Before syncing contacts, make sure your Android phone or iPhone is already connected to Phone Link. Open the app on your computer and confirm that your device shows as connected. During setup, Phone Link asks for permission to access your contacts. If you skip this step, open your phone settings and allow contact access for Link to Windows or Phone Link. Without this permission, your contacts won't appear on your computer. Yeah, it's an easy fix if you missed it. After granting permission, return to Phone Link and give it a few moments to sync your contacts. The app will automatically import your saved contact list, making it available for supported features. Once syncing is complete, you can search for contacts when sending text messages or making phone calls through Phone Link. Simply type a name into the search box and select the contact you want. Whenever you add or edit contacts on your phone, Phone Link will usually update them automatically after syncing. Keeping your phone connected helps ensure your latest contact information stays available on your PC. If your contacts aren't showing up, verify that contact permissions are still enabled, make sure your phone remains connected, and update both Phone Link and Link to Windows if updates are available. Reconnecting your device can also refresh the contact list, and that's how to sync contacts with Phone Link on Windows. Once everything is set up, finding contacts for calls and messages becomes much faster and easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and useful technology tips, and I'll see you in the next video.